Today's topic is ways to merge strings into the list. We are going to do it by using the two methods, which is a method with AST and a method to eval. Let's start with the method with AST. In the AST, you have to import a library for it, which is import space AST. After that, we are going to initialize the strings and the list, and then we are going to merge those strings into the list by using a for loop and a list.extend method for it. After that, we are going to print it, and that's your desired output. As might you have noticed in the last, which is x, y, and the z, which is the breakdown of our last string str3. So make sure you remember that in the method AST. Now let's go for the second method, which is an eval. Here in the eval, you don't have to import any kind of a library for it. Here you use here you just have to initialize the strings and the list for it, which is consist of str1, str2, and str3. After that, we are going to use an eval method, which is plus.join out. So what this method does is it's going to join every string into the list by using a plus operator. After that, we are going to print it, and that's our output.